You know in Italy what we do with the leftovers?
What do you do?
We don't throw away. We're gonna make frittata. Or, how do you call it in America? Omelette, frittata?
Omelette,
frittata.
that's right, frittata.
We call frittata.
That's right.
Okay?
We don't throw anything.
Nothing.
And
So,
this frittata is gonna be, you watch. So,
we have some,
what are we gonna need? So
yeah.
what we're having here, we have
some
zucchinis,
little
onions,
potatoes too, we have some
we have
potatoes.
potatoes, and then we're gonna put some eggs.
Eggs, yeah. And
we're gonna make an Italian papa beans frittata.
così. What I recommend to do is, you know, before the frittata get thick, you know what I mean? It cook.
Thick.
Yeah, you move a little bit like that, so you can it become all together. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So that's what you have to do. Just touch a little bit. After, when you see that it start cooking, you see the different. That's it. You don't touch anymore. You just leave it like that. There's no stick. You see. Let's flip over the frittata. You see? It's moving, alright? So it's not stick. Now you put a plate here like that. Okay? Hold it. You need to hold it. And you do this. Look. Look at this. Look at the color. Look at what color. Look how beautiful. Then you need to put this inside again. So you just slice like this. Okay? And if you have some zucchini left, you can just do this and you leave it on top like that. Like this.